Hey y'all, I'm Brittany. I own a small embroidery business slash kids boutique, teen boutique, young girls boutique, whatever you want to call it. We sell fun holiday tees, we sell game day stuff, and we sell a little bit of everything for your little girl to go to the games, to wear for the holidays, shorts, pants, graphic tees, t-shirts, smock clothes, you name it. We try to have a little bit of all of it for your little one, for you, for your young adult girl, or for your teen. That being said, we have a lot of unboxing to do, so let's get into this.
Hey y'all, this is Brittany from the future. I wanted to hop on and let y'all know before y'all come for me, this is a unboxing from before Easter. If you caught my last video, a lot of you were like, what, New Year's? What are we talking about? It's now May. I know, but this is such a good unboxing and I wanted y'all to see it. So don't come for me, enjoy.
Okay, if I look kind of crazy, it's because I ran 2 miles earlier and went up the stadium about 6 times. So and I still have makeup on from work. So that being said, don't judge. Okay, so we're gonna start with the most boring basic box there is, which is a wholesale order that I have to get done by next week. I probably will video this week, sometime this weekend, but let's go ahead and open it. So she got some Easter applique shirts for kids. She got some tiger shirts. And then the other shirt is not in here, but she got our Sequin USA shirt. So I will have to work on these all weekend to get them out by next week. Okay, I forgot to do a cute little intro with my boxes right here like I usually do. So I had to stop and do that. So let's get back to this. I'm not sure what this is, so let's see. It's been in here for over a week. Oh, wait, I don't want to open this one yet. That's Lulu Mac too, so when did this one come in? Okay, let's go ahead and open it. I didn't want to do it because I wanted to save this for last, but YOLO. Oh, okay, so I'm actually returning these. So these are the mock neck Lulu Mac. Funny story, I ordered a bunch of these, called my mom. Hi mom, how you doing? What do you think? Should we do all this? Got off the phone with her. She said, yeah, go for it. I go back to my cart. They're all gone. So I got what I could get, ordered it. It wasn't a lot. It was a lot of extra smalls, you know, the stuff that people really don't wear. And then they shipped it, and they only shipped 2. So I'm actually going to send this back, and she said she'll refund me because I'm not putting 2 out. So we got some cute little hair bows for our little girls. I got some just regular bows, and then I got some little headbands because I don't have a ton of those left. And of course I got purple for LSU because baseball season is here. I got these adorable little John Johns for boys. I got this adorable little smocked, I can't really see, there you go, smocked bubble and dress for girls. And I think that's all I got from them. I will send this all home with my mom. We need to get it all tagged tomorrow and Friday because I will be putting all this in the store on Saturday. Okay, I have not ordered from these people in a while, so I'm super excited to see. I'm super excited to open this box. They are so much fun. I did have to pay a large minimum to order from them. And then, of course, I noticed that they are becoming widely popular. So their priority, is it priority? So where they sell to, it used to be exclusive. So I had I was exclusively able to sell, and I was the only person selling within like 3 cities around me. Well, that's changing because obviously I don't spend a ton of money with them. I'm certainly not spending $2,500 with them on every drop. So of course that's going to change. And somebody's going to swoop in and probably take it from me, but we're going to keep trying to buy it when we can, if she allows, because I've actually been with her for a few years now. Okay, so don't judge. I'm not sure why they put this stuff in thank you bags, but we're here for it. So I did get a new little print with the smiley faces. With the smiley faces, it is definitely like our vibe for our boutique and our little girls. Our prints sell really well. We have a few older prints left over. So the first year we put this in the store, it sold really well. The second year, not so well. So people are still kind of buying the stuff, which is fine. But I know you need to mix it up and you gotta, you know, get new things. I will say these little butterfly shorts sold so well for us as soon as we put them in. So of course, oh, I know what this is. Oh my gosh. Okay. I was like, what is this? This is not what I was thinking. I got the little tennis skirts. How freaking cute. And they come with the shorts. How adorable is this? I am so excited to get these in the store. Like, so freaking excited. I need to get my little girl to model some and put them on so I can model and take pictures of her, because these are freaking adorable. Okay. So I'm so excited about that. I need to go show my mom that. She's here. But this is what I was talking about, was these little butterfly shorts. These sold so well. They're so cute. You can wear them for game day. You can wear them every day. It doesn't really matter, especially if you live here in Baton Rouge. Every day's game day around here. So that, okay, I'm excited. And then I did get some more little red, little mini pleated skirts, because we are almost sold out of those. So, okay, cool. So I got pretty much every size I could in those four-ish items. And that's basically it. I'm so excited for this. Okay, so don't judge the box. My husband warned me that this box was bad. I am trying to get prepared for spring/summer with all of our Lulu Map stuff. As you can tell, I'm wearing one right now. I have got plenty of compliments on it. And I am starting to stock up on tank tops. And I need to start stocking up on shorts. I think that's my next purchase will be the, oh. This is not even what I was expecting. Okay. This is actually part of my other order. I thought this was all the tank tops, so disregard that. This is part of my other order. I guess it just came in kind of late, which was these cute little polka dot shirts. Cool. Okay. So that's that. While I have y'all on, I wanted to show y'all a few new items that I'm going to be posting on our website, and that will be in our little booth. This one says Go Yard, which is for baseball. I need to clean this one up. I just took it off. It says Later Gator. I made these little tiger cropped tees, and my plan is to bedazzle them, so that might be in a whole nother video, but I need to kind of try it out. I'd like to wash it before I actually put it into the store. I have this little mama hat on this leopard print. Love this. And then I did these little price shirts on Saturday night to put in the store this weekend for Easter or spring or just every day. And honestly, I may do some that match our little smiley face shirt. I just have to figure out what design I want to do. But yeah, that's kind of what I've been working on. That's what we're putting in the store. That's my unboxing for this week. I'm hoping Tuesday's just not working out for me for posting on YouTube just because we now have T-ball. I'm super busy. I picked Tuesday because I was like, oh, I'll, you know, do what I have to do on the weekends. I'll edit the video from the prior week and then get it out by Tuesday. That's not working. So I'm gonna have to figure out a better day. I'm thinking maybe Friday. We'll see. So I still have one more video to put out before I post this one, but this one will be out hopefully next week. And hopefully I'll have some more unboxing after this, but I hope y'all liked all of my unboxing. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.